Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel, the Aim Trader. You can see here what happened is that this is the one of the major supporting areas. So it taken a support. This is the one of the trend line. Okay guys. However, this is break. It continuously taking upside momentum. Okay guys. What happened for on Monday? Okay guys. This is the one of the major resistance area. You can see here. This is the resistance area and this is also act as a resistance area. Okay guys, because of that what we can do is that this is the one of the major trend line. It breaks coming upside. Okay guys, this is the one of the major resistance area. What we can say is that this is right now what I am saying is that major resistance area we can say. Okay guys, just a second. Okay, this is the major resistance area right now. Okay guys, now what will happen on Monday is that if it will come once again downside or open gap down, then it taken a support. Your first target will be this, second target, third target, and your fourth target. Okay guys, these are the target. After that, if it will breaks or gap down open. Okay guys, this is your first target, this is your second target, and this is your fourth target. Okay, third target. These three target you can surely go it for. Okay guys, now we can see in Nasdaq. Okay guys, in Nasdaq what happened, you can see that in this area what is it is doing is that this is the one of the major right now is a supporting area. Because of this is a whole big gap down open, so this is the swing which is created. Okay guys, so this is the one of the swing, this is the major supporting areas. But right now you can see that how much volatility is there, so it is continuously volatile. After that this is break, this is the one of the trend line. I will just made it. Okay guys, show you how this is the one of the major trend line. Okay guys, after this break it is continuously taking a upside momentum, but I will just shift this line too, so you will get how nicely it taken. Okay guys, right now it is one of the major supporting area come upside, so now it acting as a supporting area. So our resistance area right now, you can see that there are various resistance areas. So this is the one of the volatile market. What I am thinking right now is that, okay guys, so I will just do is that I will just shift this line. Okay guys, I will just shift this line. You can see that this is the one of the major resistance area. Okay guys, now it is crossing. If it will come once again and taken here support, your first target, your second target, and your third target. Okay guys, in downside too we can discuss that if it open gap down or something taken resistance, this is major supporting area. First target will be here, your second target, third target, and your fourth target. Okay guys, these are the four target you can go for Nasdaq. Okay guys, in SPX what we are seeing is that in SPX this is the major gap down. It fills the gap, and here also one gap up, so here also it filled whole gap. Right now it is continuously consolidating. Okay guys, this is the what because of this it is break upside and gonna buyers is very much dominated. That's why this is the one of the major supporting areas right now. Okay guys, I will just draw it so you can get it. This is the major supporting areas right now for this. Okay guys, and this is the one of the major resistance area. Okay guys, this is the one of the major resistance area right now. What happened is that if it break upside, okay guys, break and take support, your first target, 1 second just, this is first target, this is second target, this will be third target, this will be fourth target. Okay guys, this is also acting as one of the resistance area, support and resistance. So right now it will also act as a resistance, you have to see it. Okay guys, now what we can do is that in downside also, if it taken a resistance or somewhere here, your first target will be this, second target, third target, fourth target, and fifth target. These are the 5 target you can surely go it for. Okay guys, in also BKX, okay, in Nasdaq banking index, we can see that it is very volatile, because you can see that within 5 to 10 minutes is very big gap down, and within 5 minutes all seller has gone, and buyer is very much dominated. After M pattern it breaks, come down once again, it is very much dominated here by, so it once again come upside. Okay guys, now right now what we can do is right now, so this is one of the major supporting areas right now, because this is the very much bullish candle it making. So right now we can define it as a, this is as a one of the major resistance area. Okay guys, because it is not crossing these line. Okay, this is one of the major resistance area. Right now it is crossed it, and if it taken a support here, your first target will be this, second target, and third target. These 3 target you can surely go it for. Okay guys, if it taken a resistance from here, you can go for your first target, your second target, your third target, your fourth target. These are the 4 target, and this is the one of the major supporting areas, because here is very much buyer is dominated. So just see that if it open gap down or something, this is the one of the major supporting areas right now. Okay guys, in Hgx. Okay guys, in Hgx, what happened is that this is the one of the major supporting areas right now. It is acting as a resistance. Okay guys, this once again, okay, this is the area where resistance is taking, here is support is taking. Right now it is taken resistance and came down. Okay guys, this is the one of the major once again I will show you. This is the one of the major support and resistance area. Right now it breaks, and now it is continuously consolidating. So new support and resistance area is made it. Okay guys, so right now this is the one of the major supporting areas. What I am saying is, this is the one of the major supporting areas. Right now if it will breaks upside, then you can surely go for upside momentum. So your first target will be here, second target, third, and fourth target. Okay guys, these are the 4 target. In downside also we can talk, if it will come, take here a resistance from here, your first target, your second, your third, and your fourth target. These are the 4 target we can you can go it for. Okay guys, right now in Russell 3000 we can see. Okay guys, afterwards first we can see in gold and silver index. Okay guys, in gold and silver index you can see that continuously buyer and seller is fighting. After this breakout, this is break, after this bearish candle breaks, it's low. After that you can see that how nicely fall it has become. Okay, right now what we can assume is that this is the one of the major resistance area right now, because very much buyer and seller both are tried, and but both are tried, and seller are won here and come taken its downside, but buyer also dominated right now. So this is the one of the pullback, what we can say it. Okay guys, this is the one of the supporting areas right now, because it's showing the supporting areas right here. So we can see that if it open flat or something, your first immediate target okay, if it will break, then you can go for your first, second, and third target. Okay guys, this is your third target. Sorry, that become a very large. So if it will come downside, taken resistance, your first target, second, and your third target. You can continue if you have a guts feeling, so you can continue take it downside. Okay guys, if you have to take it upside, so it come once again and taken here support, so if it will make a trend line or something, so you can surely go for your this target. Okay guys, in SOX, this is the semiconductor index. So in semiconductor index, you can see that what happened on those days, it opened a gap up. After that, you have seen here, this is the major gap up open. After that, you can see that buyer is not so much carrying it, because you can see that here is some of the buyer who can open, it can open major gap up. After that, somebody has to book their profit, so they are buyers have booked their profit all, and sellers come and taken it downside. So this is the one of the major thing. If you have traded this, you have got so much nice momentum. So at that time I have not made any video, so some personal issue. So don't worry, if you have traded, you have making a good money. If you don't have traded, no worry, you have learned something from this. Okay guys, like this somewhere happens once again. So you have got your own criteria, then your buying will be here and your SL will be here, and you got so much nice momentum. You can see here. Okay guys, after that, on 14th, you can see that very much volatile market, but buyer have so much dominated right now. So what we can see is that, you can see that this is the one of the major supporting areas right now. One second. Okay guys, this is the, what happened, one second, this is not here. Okay guys, this is the one of the major supporting areas right now. Take it downside just. Okay, this is the one of the supporting areas right now. Okay guys, what happened if it take upside, if it taken a downside momentum here, your first target will be this, second target, third target, and your fourth target. These are the four target which can you surely go for if it will take a resistance. Okay, take a resistance, your first target, second target, third target, and fourth target. These are the four target in downside. Okay guys, these are the momentum which you have to carry out. We can see in Russell 3000, you can also see here in Russell 3000 also, this is the one of the major supporting areas right now, because you can see that here is the one of the major breakout. After this, buyers is taken it very much upside momentum. Okay guys, that's why it is taken here only support. So right now what we can see is that if it has to continue, then one second, I will make a resistance area right now here. This is the one of the resistance area major. Okay guys, so right now what happened, it will be, if it will take resistance, your first target, second target, third target, and fourth target. These are the downside. If it breaks upside, if take a, one second, okay, this take a support, your first, second target, third target, and your fourth target. These four target you can surely go it for. Okay guys, in Tesla also what we have, what we can see is that sorry guys, so this is the one of the major trend lines. Right now what I am seeing is that this is the resistance right now. One second, I will just made a resistance. This is the one of the major resistance areas guys, because you can see, once again, okay, this is the major supporting areas. Right now it is acting as a resistance. So it depends, if it will goes upside, then you have to take it like this So it is acting as a supporting. So if it comes once again and breaks this, so you can go surely for a long, very long, because it is showing us a bullishness. If once again, just okay, it takes a support, you can buy here your first target, second target, third target and fourth target. If it open gap up, then it taken here support, you can go for these three target. Okay guys, this is all. If you like my video guys, please like and subscribe my channel and share with your family and friends so they also know how to invest or trade in stocks. And thank you.